This is our hanging shield. Now, if you can't place a screen on a desk or on a reception desk or anywhere where you can fix it to something solid, then you might have to go for a hanging shield. We've only been able to come up with this solution thanks to VELCRO's ONE-WRAP. This is a magical piece that has significant strength. We use the 10mm wide one, which is also in black, and it is, in my opinion, the neatest way of hanging a shield. You might try with some pieces of string or some chain, but that is tacky. If you want your place to look professional, I really recommend you go for VELCRO's ONE-WRAP. This tiny piece, which I have here in my hand, I will show you how strong it is. So first, let's mark 5 centimeters, which is around 2 inches. Somewhere there. Okay, and now let's use a 10 kilogram weight and see what happens. Okay, let's give it now a nice push and let's start lifting it. And as you can see, I can actually lift 10 kilograms using the 10mm VELCRO ONE-WRAP. This is literally amazing. Your screens will never weigh 10 kilograms, but this is for peace of mind. Only 5 centimeters, 50mm or 2 inches provides the strength to hold 10 kilograms. Now, let me show you why it is possible for this to be so strong. On one side we have tiny hooks. You can see now when we look under a microscope that these hooks protrude one way and the other in opposite directions. And then on the other side we have something that looks like, I don't know, artificial grass, but in essence these are tiny fiber loops. And it's these loops that get caught into the hooks which hold the two sides together. Hanging shields come in different sizes, therefore you can either hang them vertically or horizontally. Each single panel has 4 holes, one in each corner. Therefore, if you want to create a larger screen, you can connect one panel with another panel hanging down. Remember, the VELCRO ONE-WRAP will hold 10 kilograms of weight, so you can create double screens hanging next to each other, and it provides a peace of mind for places where you can't put a screen on a desk.